Hello, hello, hello. I purchased this little collapsible rinse tub on Amazon. I will put an associated link below. It does have handles, although if it were filled with water, I would most certainly not trust the handles. I think that that's going to be what fails on this product is the handles. It collapses down to an extremely nicely flat size, so it can fit, you know, under a bed, under a cabinet, under the sink. It would be ideal for RV use, which is primarily why we got it.
Pretty easy to open.
Yeah, I've been using it to rinse some laundry, washing some stuff by hand, and it's working great. There's plenty of room to have multiple items of laundry in there at once. It holds quite a bit of water, and yeah, I could see it even working well for doing dishes and other kind of things when we're in the RV. So I would highly recommend this. Like I said, I do expect that the handles at some point will fail, especially if it's used, you know, the handles are used to carry if it has any substantial weight. The connection on the handles is one that I've had fail on numerous products of various companies in the past. So like I said, it hasn't failed yet, but I also haven't put the handles to the test. Thank you so much for watching this review. Let me know if there's bucket usage at your home. Do you use a bucket for anything, whether it be for storage, laundry, chores, cleaning, whatever. Let me know if you're a bucket owner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.